Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply the Lightning Vortex effects to your clips on the CapCut PC. So here I've already prepared a video and I want to add the Lightning Vortex effect. And what you need to do is just head to the video effect, to the body effect, sorry. Okay, click on the arrow to see the category, and in here go to the hallucinations category, and then you'll find the lightning vortex effect. So just download the effects first before applying to your clips. So just click on the plus icon in the effect and it will be applied automatically to your clips. And you can preview the result first. Okay, it will become like that. And if you want, you can also change the color. So for example, I want to change the color into, this color to match the clip. You can also adjust the strength, the glow. Okay, I'm going to make it fast. And let's see the result. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.